Welcome to Xrero Inventory. Let's dive in. Xrero Inventory is the module that tracks every physical item your business holds. How much you have, where it sits, what is arriving, and what is leaving. Sign into Xrero. Click the app's grid, top left, and choose Inventory. The module opens on the Inventory overview. Across the top is the menu bar that takes you everywhere in the module. The overview shows a card for each operation type. The big teal button, e.g. 0 to process, opens the list of transfers that still need action. The count is your live workload. A product is anything you buy, hold, make, or sell. Inventory only tracks quantities for storable products. The product record also defines the unit of measure, costing, tracking, and routes that govern how it moves. A receipt brings goods into the warehouse. Most are created automatically from a confirmed purchase order. You can also create one manually for any other arrival. A delivery order ships goods out. Most are created automatically when a sales order is confirmed. The warehouse picks the goods, sets the done quantities, and validates to reduce stock. When you can't fully complete a transfer, short delivery from a vendor, or not enough stock to ship, validating offers to create a backorder. An internal transfer moves stock between two locations, from the receiving dock to a shelf, from a backstore to the shop floor, or between two warehouses. An inventory adjustment reconciles the system quantity with what you physically count on the shelf. Counting regularly keeps your stock and its value honest. A reordering rule keeps a product in stock automatically. Give it a minimum and maximum. When forecasted stock falls below the minimum, Xrero proposes ordering enough to reach the maximum. For full traceability, food expiry, electronics warranty, regulated goods, set a product's tracking to by lots or by unique serial number on the Products Inventory tab. A warehouse is a physical site. Most businesses have one. Larger operations have several and move stock between them with internal transfers. A location is a place inside a warehouse, a zone, an aisle, a shelf, the receiving dock, or a quality area. An operation type is the template behind each card on the overview: receipts, delivery orders, internal transfers, returns, manufacturing. Routes describe the path goods take. The warehouse can receive/deliver in one step, straight and /out, or in 2 or 3 steps. For example, receive, quality check stock, or pick, pack, ship. When goods are damaged, expired, or unsellable, scrap them. This removes the quantity from your usable stock, moving it to the virtual scrap location, and records the loss in value, keeping on hand and the accounts truthful. A unit of measure, UOM, is how a product is counted: units, kg, liter, box, dozen. Within the same category, you can buy in one unit and sell in another, e.g. buy a box of 24, sell single bottles, and Xrero converts automatically. With the optional Barcode app, your team processes receipts, deliveries, transfers, and counts by scanning instead of typing. Far faster and less error-prone on the warehouse floor. Inventory's reports answer the questions managers ask most. What is my stock worth? What moved? And what will I have next month? Most advanced features are switched on here first. Turn on only what you need to keep the screen simple. How Xrero values the stock you hold is set on the product category, Chapter 4.4. The method decides the cost taken out each time you sell or consume an item, and therefore your stock value and margin. For imported goods, common in the UAE, the true cost is more than the supplier's price. Add freight, insurance, customs duty, and handling. Put-away rules tell the warehouse where to store an incoming product automatically. Send chilled goods to the cold room, heavy items to ground-level racks. A removal strategy, set on a location or category, decides which units leave first when you deliver. Goods sometimes come back. From a validated delivery, click Return to bring a customer's items back into stock. From a receipt, a return sends faulty goods back to the vendor. For higher throughput, group working goods. 2 routes. Enable multi-step routes plus drop shipping. Let you sell without holding stock. Run more than one site. A main warehouse plus shop stockrooms, and Xrero tracks stock per warehouse. Resupply routes let one warehouse automatically request stock from another, and you can choose which warehouse fulfills each sale. Glossary. Set its product type to storable product. Only storable products keep an on-hand quantity. That is Xrero Inventory. Start your free trial today.